Rob from A Minor Error. Have a surprise piece of equipment in to review that I wasn't expecting. The kind people from Positive Grid reached out to me and asked me if I would like to check out their Spark 40 practice amp, and obviously I said I would love to check it out. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and then I'm going to have some clips coming out in the next couple weeks of me playing, and then eventually a in-depth look at this very feature-packed little practice amp. In full disclosure, yes, they did send me the amp for free to check out, which is really kind of them to reach out to me. My channel is obviously still on the small side. I've been grinding, putting out guitar reviews and other videos. I'll do the links if you'd like to check those out. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Helps the channel continue to grow. I really appreciate their generosity to send me the amp to check out, and really excited to sink my teeth into this one. I even have a mobile lesson that I have to go do this weekend, so it's going to be cool to have a nice little practice amp to take on the road over to a student's house. One of the really cool things about this amp is that you can order a customized grill for it, and there's a lot of customization options here. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten the custom A Minor Error grill in yet, but I'm really excited for it. I think it's going to be just a cool, fun little piece of kit to have laying around the studio, either here at home or at my music school I teach at, Rockdale Music in Aston, Pennsylvania. So if you're ever in Philadelphia and you'd like to take a lesson with me in person, that would be the place that we would do it. The Spark 40 is a 40-watt practice amp that has two 4-inch speakers. Like I was saying, you can order a custom grill, and the cool thing is it's really quick and easy to pop the grill off, and then you can take a look at the two speakers inside. This amp works with guitar, bass, and acoustic guitar. It has different profiles and amps for each of those different instruments in the amp, which is super cool. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, a USB connection point, and a headphone output. My first impression just getting it out of the box, I mean, it seems to be a very well put together little piece of kit. The cabinet enclosure itself is pretty sturdy. It's not overly heavy though. It just seems like it's pretty well made, which is awesome. Can't wait to hear this in action and share all of that with you in the next couple weeks. I will have some affiliate links on the way as well for this amp if you decide to purchase it. That'd be an awesome way of helping support me and my little channel. There really is a ton of things that you can do with this amp, and I'm really excited to sink my teeth into these features and shoot some cool videos. I just restrung my J Custom Ibanez with some brand new D'Addario NYXL strings, so I'm excited to kind of hear that guitar through this little practice amp. And gonna try to rig up a different kind of setup with my in-ears that are behind me, and play along with some of my original music. I've been recently working with a drummer that's kind of new, old drummer. I actually met him all the way back in 2009. It was the first guy that I met when I moved back from Boston to Philadelphia to start a band, and we weren't ever able to get anything off the ground, but we have been working together again, which is super exciting. He's been helping me program the drums on some upcoming original music that I'm putting the finishing touches on, and we might even start rehearsing and maybe even playing a couple gigs. That's kind of what I've been up to with the whole sort of rig behind me. Fingers crossed, maybe I'll be playing some gigs again. Right now I have been just strictly teaching and shooting YouTube videos after spending about 8 years playing around 70 to 100 gigs a year. Got a little burnt out being on the road doing the cover band thing, so it's kind of nice to be at home and just focus on my stuff, as well as being out of a very toxic environment. And very excited to share everything new that I have coming on December 19th. There's going to be a new cover record. Doom Volume 2 is going to be coming out. Yes, there is a Doom Volume 1 that's already out. That's been a part of these 6 guitar reviews that I've been in the process of releasing. Check the description down below if you'd like to check that out. Yes, Doom Volume 1 is streaming on Spotify and Apple Music, and really anywhere that you would stream your music. It's also available for purchase on my Bandcamp with complete tabs. So again, a huge thanks to Positive Grid for sending this over for me to check out. I'm really excited to see everything that this little feature-packed amp can do. I will also have affiliate links to purchase any Positive Grid product. So if you'd like to help support me, that would be an awesome way of doing that. I'll have, like I said, a full review coming on this amp, as well as numerous clips of me playing. I'm going to play some clips from my past releases, as well as stuff off of Doom Volume 1. Again, links and all that stuff if you'd like to check that out. Thanks again for watching this video.